and there is the bull run. Are you playing in the bull run with the little bulls?
I am Spanish.
Toro.
Yes.
It's a bull,
Yes.
in English. And it's September, and then we go into the playground for the bulls, the arenas, the
Plaza. The Plaza de Toros.
Plaza de Toros.
Yes, I do.
And we see a lot of young boys playing with the young bulls, with the little bulls, the small ones.
Yes.
Not a very big one, but a small one. Are you doing that?
Vaguilla.
No?
I say in English miedo.
I scared or I'm afraid of.
I understand.
That's very good, very sensible.